Well, they did the best they could.
So that was our hotel across the street right there. And it's hard to see with a big old tree in the way. Hey man, my wife's so generous. She giving $1 to this homeless guy in our back. There you go, buddy. Yeah, no problem. God bless you, man. And we need to get our back glass replaced. That this soda went and destroyed. So they said they'll pay for a rental car, and I think I'm gonna go ahead and contact the dealership on Monday. I got an appointment for Safe Light on Tuesday, but I'm gonna contact the dealership, see they got a body shop, see if they can fix it. But see what's gonna be the best thing. All right, y'all. Well, we're gonna catch y'all later. Say hi. I'm gonna go bounce up and down the street. Hey everyone, this is Eric back with Auto Replay, man, and shoot, it's like Wednesday, and we're back from our trip in Savannah, Georgia. I haven't been feeling too good. I feel like I got something like a sore throat, and I went and got a COVID test Monday, and I'm negative right now. I may get one again Friday just to make sure, but I've probably just got like a little cold, you know, from just being in 34 degree weather and going back to hot weather. But anyway, just kind of give you an update. Yesterday we had Safe Light actually come to my office, and he replaced the back glass, which looks so much better, because having that plastic back there was just, oh my god, it was horrible to see anything out of. So you know, I'll show you what it looks like. He went back, he went and sealed everything up, and he actually called me while I was in my office. He was like, hey man, has this glass ever been replaced before? And I was like, yes. This car came from a Copart auction. It was vandalized, and somebody bust all the glass out in the back. So I don't know, they were trying to steal the car or steal something that was in it. I mean, there was like a bunch of like freaking white powder in the freaking center console, like baking soda or something. So obviously something was going on. Anyway, the guy that I bought it from, he actually bought it from the auction up north and had somebody replace all the glass. And let's say that they didn't do the best job, according to the Safe Light guy that I talked to yesterday, because this is a heated window in the back, and it wasn't even plugged in, because he went and took the back plastic trim off to access the electrical connectors and everything like that. And he said some of the tabs are broken, and you know, this is jumping a little bit because I'm driving, but and then, you know, he said that you know, the heater, the what you call it, the heat strips on the back of the defroster was not even plugged in. So he went ahead and took the old glass out, cleaned everything up. He went and sealed everything back up, put the new glass in, connected it back together. Haven't tried it yet. And he said just make sure I don't roll the windows down for like 3 days, and while I'm driving, I want to make sure that the air pressure doesn't hit it and blow the freaking glass out the back. And then I can't go to a car wash for like a week or two or something like that. I'm just gonna wait 2 weeks before I go to a car wash, because the jets from the pressure of the water hitting it will mess the seal up or something like that. He said rain is fine. I was like, dude, am I gonna be okay to drive it? It's raining, it's kind of muggy, I don't feel good, you know. Anyway, get you updated on that. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks so much better. It looks, I mean, it makes the glass, all the rest of the glass in here look terrible, you know, now that I'm looking at it. But anyway, and I need to get new windshield wipers for the front. But I did get the tire pressure sensor replaced on the driver's rear, and that's working properly because it was reading like 0. So now the only thing I noticed, I went back through my app on the actual Autel, the Maxi whatever AP200, and I like it, but I'm having trouble connecting the Bluetooth with it. That's the only thing I'm having an issue with. That's the only thing I don't like, so I may send it back, because I bought it from Amazon. That's one good thing about Amazon. It's like You know, you don't like it, send it back. You know what I mean? Because I love the functionality of it. I just don't like that I'm having an issue with it connecting to Bluetooth. I think like after the second try, it should connect. Sometimes I'm like sitting here like 2 or 3 times, maybe 4 or 5, and like turn my Bluetooth. And it's not my phone, because my phone connects to the radio fine, and that's a cheap radio. So there's something up with the actual, you know, scanner tool. So anyway, when I go into the function of the TPMS, I noticed that I'm reading all 4 sensors now, because before I was reading like 0 on the driver's rear. So after replacing that, we got that working. But the spare tire didn't have any, it wasn't coded. I didn't have an ID, like it was missing the ID. So what I'm gonna try to do real quick, I'm gonna try to go ahead and program the old sensor that didn't work and just put it inside the vehicle, see if that'll make the light go off. If not, I'm gonna have to go to Discount Tire and get them to program the spare tire. It looks like that you need to have that one, and I'm praying to God that it's got a sensor in it. I would think it should, because I'll take a look at it. It should look factory. So that's kind of where we're at with this. We're gonna go out of town one more time, and then after that I'm gonna come back. I gotta put a steering rack in this, man. I was driving it, and shoot, I hit like a pothole somewhere in Georgia, and about threw me to the side of a freaking bridge. And man, like it was just, and it was raining bad. It was kind of scary a little bit. I mean, I was just worried that, you know, that we were getting thrown off the road. It's just, the steering rack needs to be replaced ASAP. So that is going to be the next project. It is going to happen. Trust me on that. It's got to happen. So that's kind of where we're at. You know, we have fun in Georgia, besides, you know, having the back glass getting shattered. You know, it happens, man. So I may go to Mako and talk to them and see about what they could do to, you know, look at the scratches on it. I don't know if I'm that concerned about it. Just see if they could give me an estimate, and then we'll go from there. All right, so I want to show y'all how good the glass came out after Safe Light came and replaced it. He did an amazing job. Looks pretty good. And the only thing left, we got a few scratches here. I may see if I get somebody to maybe buff that out, because Mako wants like $323 because they got to repaint this whole thing. It's still got some tape here. Yeah, sorry, my throat is sore. There's some stuff all right here from the tape that was holding the plastic. So we will see, but he did an amazing job. It looks so much better. So thanks for checking in on me. I'm gonna go take it easy. And I'll catch y'all next one.